In this video, we are going to explain some of the precautions you need to take when using Neuron's Historian in a redundant architecture. By default, Neuron's Historian module uses an embedded MongoDB database that is provided within the installer for data storage. Given that the embedded MongoDB databases for two redundant nodes are not synchronized, when deploying a redundant architecture, it's necessary to use an external database so that historical data can be accessed from both nodes at all times. In the event that an embedded database was used rather than an external one, there would be no consistency between the data stored on both databases, and they would behave like two completely independent data storages. In order to use an external database, you'll need to change the default configuration of your Historian module in both nodes. To do so, go to Config in the System section and select your Historian instance under Modules. Next, disable the embedded DB engine under Database. Finally, set the parameters as required by the external database you will be using, such as host, port, authentication, etc.